Welcome to Saraswati Sisukun Bagwala Board. Today we are here for subject English Standard 2nd, chapter number 4, Wonderful Worldly Art. So children, before we start our today's topic, let's revise what we learned in the previous video. Okay? In the previous video, we learned there are different kinds of shapes around us. Okay? And people image the different things in the different shapes. Like flowers are round, leaves are oval, then mountains and hills are triangle, sun and moons are also round. So using these shapes, people make a different art form. Okay? Then we learned that in India there are many states. India has how many states? 29 states. Like Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. So this way India has 29 states. And in this state, group of people living together and they are sharing the same beliefs and way of life. And these groups of people are known as tribes. Okay? Usually, tribal people live on the mountains or hills or in the forest. Some of the tribal people live at the coastal areas. Okay? It means nearby the sea. And they have unique identity. How they are different than us? Because they have different customs, their language is also different and their belief is also different. Okay? In India, as we know, different kinds of peoples are living. Like in poem 2, we learn that different religious people, okay, and they celebrate a different festival. Like some are Hindus, they celebrate the Diwali, Muslims celebrates the Eid, Christians celebrates the Christmas, okay. Similarly, Jain, Sikh, they have all their own festivals, okay. Their beliefs are different, their customs are different. Similarly, these tribe people also celebrate the festival in a different way. Their customs are different, their language are different, okay, and they have their own style of drawing and painting. And this way they make the unique identity. They are different than others. And one of the Varli painting is popular art of the tribal people. Okay, popular means liked by many people. Then we learn where is the Varli art from? So Varli art is from the state of Maharashtra. And the Varli tribe of Maharashtra create the beautiful painting is known as Varli painting. Okay, children, different culture make their own identity by their art. Like the famous art of the Gujarat, you can see here. The different art of the people, we can see here. The different form of the art. Okay, children? Now, let's learn today's topic that how did Varli art start? So, let's read the chapter. How did Varli art start? Many years ago, the Varli people did not go to school. They did not know how to read and write. So, they expressed expressed. Express means to show. Okay? Express means to show. So, they express the stories of their tribe through beautiful drawings. Now, they know how to read and write, but they still love to do Varli painting. So children, how did Varli art start? So we can say many years ago, Varli people did not go to school and they did not know how to read and write.
Warli people means the tribal people of Maharashtra. Okay, the tribal people of Maharashtra are known as Warli. So they did not know how to read and write. So they express their stories by the beautiful drawing on the wall. And these drawings known as Warli art. And this is how Warli art started. Now, next paragraph. What does Warli mean? The word Warli means a piece of land in the tribal language. Again, the word Warli means a piece of land in tribal language. A piece of land is usually square, and this is the reason that most of the paintings are done in the square frame. Again, a piece of land is usually square. This is the reason that most of the painting are done in square frame. You can see, children, in the picture the Warli art done in the square frame because the piece of the land is usually square. Frame. Frame. Frame means the lines inside which the painting is made. You can see on your screen blue color lines. It is called frame, inside which I have written word meaning. Here are some example of Warli art made in square frame. You can see on your screen. Next paragraph. The paintings are done on a red or brown background. background background. These color remind us of the soil of the land. background. Background means the area on which the painting is done. You can see the red color background in the black frame. Okay, it is called background, the area on which the painting is done. Children, the Warli paintings are usually done on a red or brown background, and these remind us of the soil of the land. Where the Warli people lived, their soil was red. So, red and brown background remind us of the soil of the land. Warli people use red mud to make red background. You can see here red mud, clay. Okay, they use red mud to make red or brown background. So children, let's revise what we learned today. We learned how did Warli art start. So we can say that many years ago the Warli people did not go to school and they did not know how to read and write. So they expressed their stories through beautiful drawings on the wall like farming, fishing, dancing, and these drawings are known as Warli art, and this is how Warli art started. Then we learn what does Warli means. The word Warli means a piece of land. What does Warli mean? The word Warli means a piece of land in tribal language. And a piece of land is usually square. So this is why most of the Warli painting are done in a square frame. Okay, the piece of the land are usually square. So this is why the most of the Warli painting are done in a square frame. Then we learn that the paintings are done on red or brown background. And people use red mud to make red or brown background. And this color reminds us of the soil of the land. Okay, children? Now, let's we solve exercise.
What does the word barley mean? Again, what does the word barley mean? So answer will be the word barley means a piece of land. Children, here you can see what does. Does means it is in the simple present tense. So while you are writing answer, you have to add s the end of the verb. Okay, here you will write the answer, the word barley means. Okay, because here does is used. Okay, so the word barley means a piece of land. Okay, children. Next, what does the red background remind us of? Again, what does the red background remind us of? So answer will be the red background remind us of soil of the land. At that time, the soil was red in color. Okay, so it reminds us soil of the land. Understand? Once again, the red background reminds us of soil of the land. Understand, children? Here also you should remember what does the red background remind us. So does means it is in the simple present tense. So here we will write reminds. Here it was remind because it was here does. So here we will write reminds. So you should be careful while you are writing answer. The red background reminds us of soil of the land. Next, what do early people use to make red background? To make red background. Okay? What did they use? So answer. The early people use red mud to make the red background. So the main answer is red mud. Okay, that you should remember. Here it is do, so we will not add here s or es because when it will be plural, we will use do, and with do we will not write s or es. People is a plural form, so we will not write here s or es. Understand, children? So the word